Ho, ho, ho. I don't know why. Listen, look.
You got a shirt on. Are you interviewing today?
It's a demo day. What are you talking about? It's a demo day. I was like, you know what? I need to look festive.
Festive?
So that's why. That's why probably like, ho, 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 you know. Because you're going to be Santa bringing a lot of, gifts for kids who behaved. That's going to be me.
Nice.
So it's demo day.
It's demo day. I'm trying to go live. We might be going live. I don't know.
It says live.
It does say live, so we're recording. I'm just not sure if it's going to actually record and in the internet.
In a thing.
You know what I mean? Yeah. We might be live on LinkedIn. I don't know.
Well, it is
we are
what
live
it is.
on LinkedIn.
We are.
I see it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
Happy demo day.
happy demo day. I've been telling you for the last 1 minute that it's a happy demo day, and you've been ignoring me very much. Yeah, you were concerned about like doing everything right on the
distracted.
technical side. Yeah, no, forget about it. If we don't go live, who cares? Because we just do it. Literally, we do it for ourselves. The stand-up, because
That's right.
you have a lot to say. I have a lot to say, and it's nice when you have somebody to talk about stuff and stuff you want to learn. I don't want to say stuff, it's like kind of demeaning. Things, things you want to learn and know.
Tools,
Tools,
learnings, musings.
Yes. I really want to get to know AI better, because today when I was creating a page object and I wrote read only, all rights reserved, the name of the variable, and and it suggested me to finish the sentence, and it suggested copyright logo, like sign, and then 2024. And I was like, I took a screenshot.
This is like the type ahead, like tab. to
Yeah,
finish?
type ahead to do it, like suggestions from Copilot, and I was like,
Yeah.
okay. I mean, you behind, my friend. So all those, but I do take screenshots, and eventually I'll have a whole talk ready with a bunch of screenshots about AI, and all of that stuff. But I think
Awesome.
it might improve by the time I have a talk,
Well, you've got history. You get your screenshots.
Yes.
Just keep filing them away. It's fun times.
Yeah, the talk will be like, look what I had to go through, kids, so you can use a perfect AI, something like this.
Love it. Well, are you going to be up first,
I can be first.
or do you want me to go first?
What's yours? Let's decide.
Let's do mine. Mine.
Okay.
I'll knock mine out. It won't take too long. So
Mine is a
let me-
screenshot, so it's not that
I'll
deep.
get you hyped up. This is going to hype you up, Sergey.
Okay.
It's going to hype you up.
Let's do it.
All right, let me get my thing set up here. Okay, so this week I saw this lady on Twitter that works at Vercel. She was using Claude Code and had this idea and actually implemented this idea, but her implementation was all like, you've got to go and copy and paste files, and it was a bunch of manual work. And with my setup, there's still a little bit of manual work. But what I've created is Claude sound hooks. This is out on my GitHub right now. And what it does is it gives you access to a sound pack. So as you're using Claude Code, it will talk to you. So when you get started, it talks to you. When it's waiting on input, this is the key, it talks to you. When it's done, it talks to you. Okay. So I believe here, I'm going to just reshare and just make sure I share my sound, because that's
The
very
audio,
important. So 1 second.
It means
Very
nothing
important.
without audio.
All right. Entire screen.
I want to
Also
hear the
share
voice.
system audio. Here we go.
Hello, this is your AI assistant.
We're not.
Oh, are you sharing me?
No.
Well,
no.
finally, I was recognized as a AI bot.
Let's see.
Hello, how can I help you today?
What
Hey,
is happening?
let's get things started. Hey, What's on your mind? You know, when you swipe to choose the voice.
All right, we're going to try this. We're going to try this. It worked just a minute ago.
It doesn't work. Would you like me to help you with that?
This software.
Live
man.
demo.
Software.
This is what happens. Yeah, that's you literally like, it's a perfect example of a perfect demo. What is a perfect demo? We're gonna have a conversation. Perfect demo is when you worked on your demo for the sprint. The whole here we go. Okay.
So it won't share with
the sound?
It won't share with audio.
Blasted in your speakers. I love how I get on the screen as an AI. No? Well, listen.
It's not working.
It happens, but...
All right, one more time. I'm going to try.
Okay, let's do it. No, it's still me.
All right. Yeah, Riverside Software, it was a sad day. All right, I'm going to show it to you, and I'm going to tell you, I'm going to give you the sound that it makes. I'm just going to repeat it from my ear. It's
Okay.
it's gonna be weird. It's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be cringy. Let's go.
All right, so this is the sound pack. What's really cool is after I posted this on LinkedIn, I actually had a contributor come. It's a guy that I've met and networked with. Created a pull request and created some sound packs. But basically, what it does is it allows you to. So let me just kind of open up Claude. Tell me if you can hear it.
Nothing.
You can't hear it. Okay.
No.
That's okay. So
what did he say?
Basically, well, right now I currently have a skill created called Sound Pack.
That's what he said?
What I can do is it's a sound pack. I hit list and it shows me what are all the existing sound packs that are installed. And so it's about to kind of give you a nice little thing. So right now I've got Office Michael activated. Okay. So I'm gonna exit out of this and I'm gonna repeat what Michael's telling me in my ears. And
with his voice.
With his voice. It's his like I went and clipped his audio. All right. So here it is. Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. It's happening.
But it's
that's the first one.
Calm. Does it use F words?
It's whatever wave you want to put in there. You can put that in there. Yeah. So I'm going to say hello. Let's do this thing. You remember Michael saying that? When it's done, I have it saying, boom, roasted. Boom. So, good stuff. I've got some other, these are WoW sound packs, which are really meaningful if you ever played Warcraft 3 back in the day, or any of the Warcrafts. And then these two were added, Nintendo and Claude created, and they're kind of like dings and zings and it kind of sounds like notifications like you would expect some kind of software to do. So very cool. But to change a sound pack, it's really just I use this skill, which is a Claude Code skill, and I just say use WoW. Let's say WoW Peon. So in this thing, let's do this thing. Just kind of went off in my ear. It's gonna go run this command, which is gonna go update my Claude hooks to this new sound pack.
Okay.
And I just got the notification in my ears, work complete.
Oh.
So it changes. It's fun. Less awesome without the sound, but maybe we'll have to figure this thing out. So
it's all right.
It was so for me. I got to dive in, learn about Claude, learn about Claude hooks specifically. I've done some stuff with skills. And for the most part, Claude helped me build a lot of this stuff. I knew the concepts. I knew what to ask it. I did go collect the sound files, created a naming convention, and said, hey, let's build it this way. And boom, roasted.
Well, that's what she said.
I didn't include that one yet. Maybe that needs to be.
You have to. You have to. You have to include that one. Okay, thank you very much. You will be sharing somewhere links to the repo, or
I'll
it's
drop
public
a link
now?
to the repo.
Yeah. I don't care, but maybe somebody will. I'm gonna start sharing.
Once you start using Claude Code,
I am gonna start using it today. Actually,
okay,
that's my plan. For real.
Go install this. Let me know how your experience is.
I will first go and get disappointed as much as I can with Claude before I start upgrading it, you know? So what I wanted to share, some Playwright situation which I was working on a few days ago, and even Copilot with the different agents from ChatGPT to Claude, Sunday 4.5 and all of that stuff couldn't help me. So this is AI. Everybody knows this, right? We all love them, especially automating them. And because they're all different, I don't know why it's still, so complicated sometimes with the calendars. And so I had an issue where automation would come here, click on, for example, let's say there are 3 of them, just because there are literally multiple calendars on the page. But let's talk about order date, for example. I would come here, click on by test ID. It opens the dialog. I would find today, and then I would just click it. I would wait for today to appear, and then I would click it. It needs to be last just because there is, again, the calendar is very messy, so it has to be last every single time. And then it would click it, and automation would move on. So what would happen, we've all been there when UI is a little bit flaky. When it's clicking, it's literally clicking, you force it, you double click, what do you think you do in it with that? And the date would not populate. And I didn't want to go lazy way, just type in the date. I really wanted the fancy way.
I did that on another screen.
You did that. Yeah. No, I don't do that. I literally automate my actions, how I would do that. So I asked Copilot to help me. At some point, it lied to me that everything looked good. And when it clicked, it literally said that automation populates the date, even though it wasn't, because I could watch the video and I was like, you're lying to me. But what I decided to do is just go to basic computer science. What is it? 101? I don't know, 01, and do while loop. So basically what happens is you can ignore this part, but it just showing that you can use it for multiple calendars instead of, dry, right? Don't repeat yourself. But what happens is we click on the element, we wait, we click on that, and remember that we just clicked on it. And if date is not populated here, if it's still nothing in the order date input field, it will try to repeat that again. And it worked. It worked magically. Sometimes I can literally see how it opens twice, sometimes 3 times, sometimes once, but the flakiness is gone and 5 is more than enough. I think like if it fails 5, then we have an issue. But yeah, so you can screenshot this, and maybe find, next time you actually don't need to screenshot it. You can just go in. You can just steal my code as always, but I was talking to you, obviously.
Sure, yeah.
But yeah, that was my like fix. And when I showed the Copilot, I was like, that's what I did. Oh, that's a great idea and all of that stuff. And it started like trying to improve it. And I was like, nah, it's too late, my buddy. It's too late. Just remember how I like it. This is the way I would want you to do that.
Nice.
I think it's going to ignore anyway, but yeah,
so you basically built in some retries where, maybe the click was actually successful. So it wasn't trying to retry the click. It was just, you've got a validation after the click to make sure the JavaScript did the right thing on the back end. So, I mean, with a lot of these forms, right? I mean, JavaScript is tricky. Site we're working with is some of this is like jQuery, I think even. So it's like it's heavy JavaScript, right? In a lot of these things, but
yeah,
awesome demo, man. Love to see it.
Thank you. It just proves the point. Never give up. And I mean, use AI, but back to my conversation yesterday. Don't copy and paste everything without knowing what's going on. I'm still gonna stick to that. But we're at 15 minutes mark. We're gonna be respectful of everybody's time. That was amazing.
Happy demo.
Happy demo day. Oh, St. Valentine's Day tomorrow.
It's tomorrow. Yep.
Thank God we don't
See
have
ya.
this tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.